This is a 2019 Ford F-350 Super Crew Lariat. White over black leather interior. Power driver's seat, power windows, locks, power mirrors, leather wrap steering wheel. Home link for your garage door, upfitter switches, trailer brake controls, backup camera, front camera, navigation, satellite radio, electronic climate control, heated and cooled seats, remote start, push button start, power moonroof. There's a look at the rear seat, power deployable running boards, aluminum wheels, receiver hitch, backup sensors, spray-in bed liner, sliding rear window, soft touch tailgate. This vehicle is four-wheel drive, powered by a 6.7 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel, so it's got lots of torque. And like all pre-owned vehicles at Autonation Ford St. Pete, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.